Top 5 Best Remote Control Fishing Boat in 2025. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best remote control fishing boat? If you received a new remote control fishing boat, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best remote control fishing boats on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The VWVIVIDWORLD Remote Control Fishing Boat is a versatile tool that enhances your fishing experience. It operates up to 500 meters, supports a 1.5 kilograms payload, and features a fixed-speed cruise for precise bait delivery. The boat is waterproof, equipped with night lights for visibility in low-light conditions, and comes with a dual battery setup for extended use. Its lightweight build, user-friendly remote control functionality, and sturdy ABS body make it suitable for outdoor use. Number 2. The Flytec Remote Control Fishing Bait Boat is a reliable and innovative fishing tool with remote control, dual motor design, and a 1.5 kilograms bait loading capacity. It features a built-in LED light for nighttime fishing, is durable, and is electric powered. It is suitable for ages 14 and above, and is multifunctional for fishing, scouting, and enhancing catch rate. The boat is made in China with advanced features and thoughtful details, making it a great gift for young anglers. Number 3. The UDIRC 2.4G Jet Spray RC Speedboat offers high-speed performance, remote control precision, self-righting design, LED lights, durable build, rechargeable power, easy charging, compact size, ready to go, and versatile fun for ages 14. It operates on 2.4G frequency, has a self-righting design, and takes about 230 minutes to fully recharge. The RC Speedboat is designed for uninterrupted fun and comes fully assembled, making it easy to transport and handle. It's perfect for both begin. Number 4. The C118 Fishing Bait Boat offers a versatile fishing experience with a long remote distance of up to 500 meters, a high loading capacity of 1.5 kilograms, efficient operation of about 3 hours per charge, steady speed of 5.5 to 6 kilometers per hour, user-friendly control with a 4-channel remote, durable build of high-quality plastic, ready to go, convenient charging in 8 to 10 hours, compact and portable dimensions of approximately 49 x 16 x 17 cm, and a wide age range of 7 and above. Number 5. The Smart 40 Points GPS Fishing Bait Boat offers precise navigation, long remote range, high capacity, extended runtime, fixed speed cruise, durable build, high speed, user-friendly design, compact dimensions, and is ready to use for users aged 14 and above. It features a 4-channel remote control and easy-to-use Mode 2 interface, and can operate up to 500 meters for expansive waters. The boat supports up to 2 kilograms loading for bait and gear, providing 3 hours of continuous use on a single. Thanks for watching the video.